Good evening, everyone. While I start, I request you all to mute your voice so there couldn't be any kind of hindrance when I deliver. So I association is open to everyone. People who they not the domicile or people who they are the domicile is open because it's a religious capital we believe in. We believe much of that is its ancient city, which is 3,000 plus year old. So it is number one. Number two is the agenda to form this association was when I was trying to catch up with any of the local association when I started participating since I came back from Paris, and I started, to just no such association from Delhi. If you move down to Telangana, so there is now I think a new association which is coming up with the name of it will be a win-win situation for both of us. But as of on now, I think it is on till Facebook or on different social media, right? So we have been registered ourselves under Society Registration Act, and we did it 1 month back. And we are also partnered with IHE, which is Indian Hospitality Expo, and we have been receiving good response through the associations who they are working in different parts of the country. We have been acknowledged by the Uttarakhand chefs, so they are in majority in New Delhi. So obviously, so we are receiving huge support by them. We are receiving good support by chefs who they are in Delhi, as well as who they are connected to me via Vedanta, or the people who they are working in Gurugram or NCR, different places. Special thanks to Chef Saurabh Awasthi, who is assistant lecturer in Amity University, Jaipur, and because he is from Lucknow and he is doing his PhD on Avdi cuisine. So we have awarded him the position of vice president, and he has been supporting us continuously, Amity, Jaipur. Thank you to Rohit, Chef Anshul Bhatia, Chef Punita Arora, and all the chefs who they have been, supporting me and the association. Kunal, it is very obvious. I couldn't take everyone name, but anyway, they all are supporting Meher and everybody from this chef students to everyone. So we have, started making our footprints in Culinary Academy of India. We have been started getting engaged with, Banarsidas Chandiwala Institute. Chef Chef Kondu is helping us over there. You know, we have been acknowledged by Vedanta Institute where I was working. So the student who were under training with me, so they have joined the association, Amity University, obviously, and different hotels. So, I'm getting so good response. In fact, Delhi Institute of Hotel Management is with us, IHM Hyderabad, obviously my college. So everybody is supporting a lot. I mean, different IHMs have also started. That's a good response. So this was a very good response to start with, to be very honest. Now, association to ban gaya, register bhi ho gaya. So what is the next agenda? So see, now we have been hit badly with the pandemic, right? So it is not possible to go down or plan any kind of academic, annual plan for any chef competition or something like that. It is not quite possible. Okay? There are a lot of restrictions. Traveling bhi possible nahi ho payega. So what we have planned is we will come up with some of the, competitions maybe. We are planning for sure right now. But in coming times, we will be also organizing some event. I was in a chat with Chef Purita Arora. Come down to Varanasi whenever we will be doing some chef competitions, etc. So we have people who they could also just a second. Just help us out, in all this activity. So this was one thing. Second, I was planning for the conferences and all, to call chefs to Varanasi, especially the chefs who they want to do their PhD on Varanasi cuisine. Chefs who they want to travel and they want to shoot videos in Varanasi. Fortunately, if you people, any one of you want to come down to Varanasi, we are here to give you a base. That was a promise before joining the association. Come down if you want to shoot videos, you want to learn the cuisines of this street, you know. So for the mentoring, Varanasi Chef Association will be obviously there. Along with that, we will be also participating in many of the conferences, which will be happening in ICF, which will be happening in IFTA. So we are also trying to get in touch with them. I have already emailed to IFTA and ICF. I have got response by their side. I think IFTA one will be taking a bit time because of the pandemic. They are not responding maybe or something like that. But I had a word with Chef Sandarajan, Chef Ritika Gildi, and other chefs. Okay, okay. My voice is not loud, Chef Saurabh. Okay, I'm so sorry for that. So what I was saying is, now it's good, Chef Saurabh. Can you listen me up? Anyway, I'm continuing. So I'm in process with ICF. I'm in process. Okay, thank you so much, Chef Saurabh. I'm in process with IFCA. So we are trying to get in touch with them to collab, and just we will be seeking help from them to make our footing strong in Varanasi and nearby area, right? So this was all about. I welcome you all for any kind of suggestion, and I formally welcome you all on behalf of Varanasi Chef Association to be part of us. Don't hesitate to reach me out at any point of time. You all have my contact details and all. And I'm really happy that, these youngsters from Culinary Academy of India, Vedapta, Banarsi Das, and IHMs, and all the institute, Amity Jaipur even, they have started taking initiative, and they have given us, a strong base to just stand. I would also request professional chefs to be engaged, if they could. I mean, I understand it is not that much obvious while working to be participating and, to just be engaged fully. But I would request, if you could come up with your ideas and all, it would be great for us. And I would request you guys, the last thing, that ask anyone who wants to join the association. We will be happy to acknowledge this. And we are eagerly looking people to make, be part of us. Till 1 year, we are planning to have this membership free of cost. If I will be stable financially, obviously, yes, I will continue with the same. You need to understand one thing, that if we have any association. I'm getting some sound. Can we mute? Anyway, so you must understand one thing, that जब आप कोई association बनाते हैं तो obviously उसमें पैसे लगते हैं to register, to get memberships, etc. सब कुछ. But till 1 year, I mean, don't trust me. Just go on the Google and ask people who they are running the association. Go and ask to anyone who they have their associations. So there is a big team which is working behind. And I started alone with 5 or 10 people. So now it has been growing. Now I'm getting support. I mean, Laksh ko kitne din se janta hu, ya Gaurav ko, ya fir Rohit ko, ya Chef Anshul Bhatia, to chalo he was with me. So once I started, I started getting support, and I'm looking for the people who could actually represent me if I get the membership in IFCA, who they could actually represent me and the association in the presidium. So I want a full-fledged presidium. For that, I have Chef Saurabh with me, Chef Punita. I have proposed her, so I'm planning, right? So come up with your ideas, and your participation obviously matters. And till the time I'm capable to run the association, by my end, financially, I'll be doing it. And that's all. I think if you guys have any question, we can take the questions up. So you can write me the questions if you have any. We can unmute everyone.
Yeah, everyone can unmute themselves, those who want, and ask questions one by one with the chef.
Chef, thank you so much for your voice. I'm audible, please?
Yes, chef.
Yes, chef. Yes.
Thank you so much, Ravikant chef. And I want to say one thing. We can do also research work through with the association and patent work also. If anyone can interested for this, she maybe directly contact with me.
I
I
think
can
this would
do.
be fantastic. What I was thinking is to make when once this start happening, you know, अभी तो pandemic की वजह से we can't even go out. But you know, I will be connecting with so many students in coming time. Like committee, I will be coming as you invited. Then Shivram has invited me to Pace University, Bangalore. So you know what will happen is I will be once it's full fledged. I'm trying to make one wing for the students only because the future of this country and obviously they will be representing the cuisine of our country. So I'm more focused and you can say I'm very much centralized for the student rather than the established chef. I mean, because they're already successful, they know how the industry works, but the proper counseling has to be given to the students so they are going to start their journey. स्टूडेंट्स आपके पास क्वेश्चन लेके आएंगे हम एमटी कैसे निकाले शेफ हमें ये कैसे करें हम अब्रॉड जाएंगे तो क्या होगा सो वी एज अ शेफ यू नो who they are professionally cooking we can do what we can mentor them कि देखो ये ऐसा है ये वैसा है उस कंट्री में जाओ फॉर एग्जांपल बहुत से मेरे से आते हैं पूछते हैं कि शेफ आई वांट टू गो पेरिस इट इज नॉट वन नाइट पैकिंग कर लिया एंड वी शुड मूव तुमको फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज सीखना होगा फ्रेंच बोलनी आनी चाहिए तुम वहां जाके कैसे रहोगे तुमको वहां बैंक अकाउंट ओपन करना तो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दो द स्टूडेंट्स दे डोंट नो so this one will be the first criteria coming up to the second one for the research and all once they plan to go further for their education more so what we can do is obviously we can guide them to the chefs who they are doing research अब मेरे से अगर कोई पूछेगा कि chef I want to do PhD on Audi cuisine I never did I'm a simple MBA graduate from Paris so I could not my knowledge is limited till there but I will redirect him to you who is doing MBA. If somebody comes to me, for example, if Laksh comes to me, if Gaurav or anyone comes to me, Rohit comes to me and say, Chef, I want to be in flight kitchen. I have never worked in flight kitchen. I will redirect him to Chef Punita. So we can make a wing where we could, guide them as per our specialization that we feel comfortable in. So I can guide them about Europe. Maybe I could guide them about French cuisine. Regional Indian food. So that would be, that could be done. Regarding the research and patent, you are more, qualified to, let us know about it. So we will discuss it on phone call when I will call you after this session. So that was a good point. Anything else?
Mr. Ravikant, I have a small announcement to be made.
Okay, so Switzerland say my friend is there, Tanmay Deshpande. He was my batchmate in IHM Hyderabad. He is Tanmay.
Hi everyone, and first of all, Ravikant, thank you so much for creating a big platform where we are able to share our knowledge and all. Secondly, as a proud member of VCA, if you require any merchandise from Switzerland, maybe the Swiss knives or maybe any Swiss chocolate for any promo or any recipe, please feel free to contact me. All I need is just your address to get it delivered to you. And secondly, we all here are from different parts of India. Apart from a regional cuisine, as you mentioned earlier, we can also promote the international cuisines. Like you have been in France, I'm here in Switzerland. Our friend Gautam Mepani, he's to and fro from India to Bali as well.
He is in Bali, yeah.
So we could have a mixed session of different cuisines around the world as well. But yes, step by step, I agree.
Slowly, yeah. Slowly, so, like a turtle. Turtle wins the race.
Exactly. And now we are on touch with on Facebook as well as WhatsApp. So we are just all a message away from each other. Just in case anyone has any nice ideas.
Obviously, yes.
Yeah. Thank you so much once again for having this
suggestion, Chef Tanmay.
Thank you.
It's our pleasure. And Chef, I think you have got your certificate. Regarding the certificate, I want to say, abhi jisko bhi nahi mila, so please contact Chef Gaurav, who is taking care of it. Maybe I will be involving few of the youngsters into it. So let me know because that is essential. I know some of you haven't got it till yet, but you will be getting it for sure. Anyone else who wants to ask me something or any suggestions, like I will welcome them all.
Chef, maybe fortnightly or on weekends with all of you professionals whom we inspire, we could have a one-to-one session where we could clear our doubts and some professional guidance that you can give to us, like your experience and where were the turning points in your life, so that the mistakes maybe that you made, we won't make them, and we may move ahead on a smooth path.
Obviously, the agenda is the same. I mean, yes, and for that we are always open. I mean, who they are, associated till now, yeah, you can get in touch with any one of us. I mean, when I say, we are the proud members of VCA, it means we are a collab. So, for example, tomorrow if Chef Mepani is in Bali, and if you want to go to Bali to explore, or if you want to take suggestion, so you can go ahead. There is no problem to ask anyone in any experience. So that is why we have formed this association. See, I shouldn't say this. It's a public forum. But see, there are so many associations. I'm not taking the name of the association, which are the established one. I'm telling छोटे बहुत सारे association they have started opening, who charge. And see, नहीं है. Thing is basic to run the association. Capital आपने लगा दिया, but you need the operating expense, right? But here, what I'm doing is I'm doing it with my pocket. I have not taken a single penny from anyone. Now, the intention is to not run this association commercially. I felt as a chef that there should be an association in my region. Second is, I could, deliver more to the young generation and the chefs who they are established already. Abhi pandemic ke samay I'm receiving. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes,
I
sir.
think my
Yes,
video
you are
is
Yes, you are
Yes,
audible.
yes.
Audible,
So anyway,
audible.
so what I'm saying is, see, I'm still saying, I have given the membership 1 year free. I mean, annually, I'm not charging anyone anything, but this could be extended. Why so? Because this is something which was my dream, that okay, I have to contribute. Only what I was looking for the way कि भाई माध्यम क्या होना चाहिए जिस तरीके से I could deliver. ठीक है? So once we start collaborating with each other, obviously we will be help to each other, right? So it's a teamwork, nothing else. Anybody else who wants to ask something or suggest something? My videos is still like this, but anyway, if I'm audible, then it's fine. Chef Punita, you want to say something? Am I audible?
Ma'am, you need to unmute yourself. You are muted.
You need to
I think
unmute
he's
yourself.
on mute. He's
On
on
your mute.
Achha, one incident I will tell you guys. Adhyayan is here, I think. So Adhyayan is our member, and one day he called me up and he asked, Chef, अभी तो pandemic की वजह से हमें नौकरियां नहीं मिलेंगी. So there are people who they are charlatan, to be very honest. So if you don't know what is charlatan, charlatan is someone who pretends to be one who knows everything, right? But don't listen to those chefs who they have already given up. You just need to listen to your heart. And the chefs who they have experienced, they have experience, so they could just go on. You know what I mean? So yes, Chef Punita, now we can hear you, I think. I think your audio is not audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyway, we will move to someone else now. I think her audio is not good. So we have Chef Gautam Mepani. We will take him, and last we'll talk to Meher, and then we will leave.
Hi,
Chef
hello
Mepani, can you
guys.
listen me up?
Yeah, you're audible. Hi,
How
Chef
are you
Ravikant.
doing?
All good, how are you? So,
Hi, Chef.
hi.
How do you feel to be part?
So yeah, that's what. First of all, I'd like to really thank you for coming up with such a brilliant idea of forming this association. It's a wonderful platform, and through this platform, lot of the young talented lads who are planning to become chefs are going to learn a lot. So, and apart from that, another good thing is like we already have quite a few people from the industry who've been working for quite some time and have an amazing knowledge, who can really help nurture them, like, with regards to any possible query related to our industry. So that is the second thing. And the third thing is, like, I feel that all of us should be very open about their thoughts on this group. We should share as much as knowledge possible, be it whatever. Like, there are so many small things which we feel that, we might be knowing, but some other person won't know that. I mean, small things matter. So,
Mhm.
that is another thing which can be added. And yeah,
And
so
and
I'm
and I will be
really
discussing with you, the prospect when the VCA members could, just go to your place and they could, just get your guidance. I mean, once they pass out, more of them, because they're students. Obviously, we can do that. Chef
yeah,
Gaurav,
yeah.
thank you so much. I will get you on the call after the session. Rohit and Meher, we would like to just thank you, and Laksh, Gaurav, and everyone, So we would request you to just come up with some of the idea if you have to share something.
I guess.
Rohit, can you listen me?
Yes, chef, I can.
So how is everything going, Rohit? Ho- any suggestions or something?
Chef, for now, I can't tell any suggestions, but I'll think on that and let you
Obviously.
know. Yeah.
Meher, how are you doing? Can you listen me up?
Yes, chef, I'm doing well, and I hope everyone's doing fine too.
Feeling good to be part, right?
Yes, very, very good. It's a amazing feeling to be part of such an organization from the beginning so we can help it grow.
True, true, true. I mean, I could not take everyone on the chat. I'm sorry for that, but I can see, Saurabh Jha, then Kushi Jain, Vishnu, and everybody. Neil, I thank you all, Vaibhav. I thank you all, guys, for joining in. It's a huge feast here, so I couldn't go with everyone, but we will stay in touch with the group and the broadcast messages you are getting through me. In coming days, you will be getting it through maybe Chef Saurabh or Chef Gaurav, Chef Kripal. I thank you all for joining the association. Looking forward for your suggestions and the support. Reach me out at any point of time. You have my number, you have my email address, everything, right? So formally, I welcome you and I close this meeting formally. Laksh, over to you.
Thank you so much, Chef. Any
Thank
discussions
you
or
so much,
anybody would like
Ravikant.
to continue this meeting informal, or should we end it right here?
Thank you so much for joining us.